If you've been feeling stuck lately, like you should be doing more but you just can't, this video isn't here to motivate you. Because motivation isn't what you're missing. And the sooner you understand that, the lighter everything starts to feel. Most people think the reason they're not moving forward is because they're lazy, or undisciplined, or not trying hard enough. But that's not true. You wake up with plans. You want to improve. You care. Yet somehow nothing moves. And every time you hear someone say, "Just stay motivated," it makes you feel worse because you've tried that. Motivation comes, then disappears. And when it does, you blame yourself. But here's the truth no one tells you. Motivation was never meant to last. Motivation is an emotional spike. It's temporary. It's loud. It's unreliable. Your brain doesn't want motivation. It wants safety and clarity. When your mind is overloaded, when you're emotionally tired, when you're carrying pressure silently, your brain resists action. Not because you're weak, but because it's protecting you. This is why motivation fails you. You don't need hype. You don't need pressure. You don't need another speech telling you to push harder. You need quiet structure. People who change their lives don't do it with constant motivation. They do it with calm decisions made even when they don't feel like it. Discipline doesn't feel powerful at first. It feels boring. It feels small. It feels invisible. That's why most people never build it. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel motivated. But the people who grow act without emotion. Not big actions, small ones. The kind you can repeat even on low energy days. That's where real confidence comes from. Not from motivation, but from trusting yourself again. So here's what you do instead of chasing motivation. Choose one small action you can do daily without needing to feel inspired. Something boring, something simple. And make one rule. I do this whether I feel like it or not. That's it. No pressure, no perfection, no rush. This is how discipline quietly returns. If this video felt calm instead of loud, that's intentional. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're just rebuilding in silence. And if this helped, stay. There's more clarity coming.